we seek to uncover which nutrient-rich foods deserve a place in your diet daily and how to sneak them into your meals you eat every day. Berries are great sources of fiber, a nutrient that most people don't get enough of. Berries helps keep your digestive system healthy and working properly, and is good for your heart and your waistline, since it is so filling. All beans are good for your heart, but none can boost your brain power like black beans. That is because black beans are full of anthocyanins, antioxidant compounds that have been shown to improve brain function. Yogurt. This creamy treat gives you a dose of probiotics, which are healthy bacteria that help keep your gut working properly and contribute to better overall health. Yogurt is also nutrient-rich food that fuels your body with protein, calcium, vitamin B12, and key fatty acids that your body needs to stay healthy. They are packed with healthy polyunsaturated fats and magnesium, two important nutrients for heart health. These nutrients may also offer protection against insulin resistance, which can lead to diabetes. Sweet potatoes are good sources of antioxidants. The body converts these antioxidants into the active form of vitamin A, which helps keep your eyes, bones and immune system healthy. Leafy greens do a body good. Spinach, cabbage and lettuce is teeming with important nutrients, vitamins A, C and K, as well as some fiber, iron, calcium, potassium, magnesium and vitamin E. Leafy greens can help you lose weight, reduce your risk of diabetes, keep your brain young and help fight off cancer.